How to get the Ask Gemini button back in Google Chrome. In this video, we are going to see how to get the Ask Gemini button back in Google Chrome if you don't see it. If the button is missing, you may have accidentally unpinned it, or your Chrome browser may need to be updated. First, if you accidentally unpinned the button, simply right-click on the Chrome toolbar and select Pin Gemini. The Ask Gemini button should appear again. If you don't see the Pin Gemini option, the next thing you can do is update Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Then, from the left-hand side, click About Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, click the Update button and let Chrome install the latest version. Once the update is complete, relaunch Chrome. After that, you should see the Ask Gemini button back in the toolbar. And that's how you can get the Ask Gemini button back in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let me know in the comments if this worked for you. I'll see you in the next video.